If you haven't listened to this episode on Diary of a CEO, Daniel Priestley with Stephen Bartlett, I highly recommend it. What he describes in this episode, Daniel, is the difference between a lack mindset and an abundance mindset. I know it says the episode is about money, but it's so much more than that. He talks a lot about embodying the right energy to get what you want in life. And for him, that just happens to be investments, right? But you can apply his philosophy in other areas of your life as well. But one of the things that he shared that really stuck with me was the magic of with or without you. So Daniel says that when he's looking for investors or he wants to work with people for events or companies that he wants to build with, he embodies this with or without you energy, which means I'm going to build this company. I'm going to create this event. I'm going to create this masterpiece with or without you. Are you in, or are you going to sit this one out? Because either way, it's happening. And he found that when he embodies this with or without you energy, majority of the time, he always gets the right people, the right investors, the right things to happen at the right time. And this reminds me of my own healing journey. If you've been with me since 2022, you know I went through a breakup, and towards the end, I literally told myself that enough is enough. I'm done with this cycle of not feeling worthy, of not being valued and respected. And I was very much attached to my partner at the time. And there was just this one day where I walked away because I had this mindset that I was going to be okay with or without him. And I told myself this out loud, that I'm done, that I'm going to heal, I'm going to thrive, I'm going to be more than okay with or without you. And Daniel also explains why the opposite kind of energy doesn't work. He says desperation sends a message that you have to cling on for dear life to one person or one thing, and that usually falls apart because that clinging energy just feels forced and very inauthentic. And we hear this all the time in the manifestation community, right? To let go and detach. And this is the reason. It's because when you cling on to something so tightly, when you're anxious about an outcome, that sends an energy of desperation. So learn to release, learn to trust, and just learn to be okay with or without your manifestation. I hope this helps. And if you need extra support, join Become Magnetic at the link at the top of my page. You get access to a group chat and you get so many tapping meditations inside there and the formula to manifest anything easily and effortlessly. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.